Different media transmit sound in different ways. A vacuum does not transmit sound, and so in outer space there's actually no sound being transmitted because there is nothing to vibrate and carry the vibrations from one molecule to another. So a medium of some type is required in order to transmit sound. When I vibrate the tuning fork, we can hear that because it causes the air to vibrate. Now, air itself is actually not the most efficient medium for transmitting sound. So try this demonstration with your students. Ask them to lay their head so that the ear is on the surface of the desk. And then you can come around and just hold the tuning fork to the tabletop. Be amazed at the clarity and intensity of the sound that you actually hear. Another way to demonstrate that and to have the students do it themselves is to just take a bobby pin and sort of make that at 90 degrees or so, and then place that on the desktop and just vibrate it back and forth. And again, have the students listen to the sound that that makes by holding your ear against the tabletop. Or another way to show the conduction of sound is to just take a water bottle and hold it to your ear and then just tap it. And the sound is transmitted very clearly through the water. Or if you do it through the end and tap the bottom, it's a very clear sound that you hear, much clearer than if you just tap it in the air. And that's again because the solid is, or the liquid, is capable of transmitting sounds better than a gas, such as air. Fish underwater, for example, can hear sounds over long distances because the sound is carried by the water molecules as they interact with each other and pass the energy on to their neighbors. So sounds are carried over long distances through water as well as through the Earth's crust. Geologists make use of that in locating earthquakes because the sound will travel through the Earth's crust to all parts of the Earth, but it'll travel at different rates depending on whether it goes through the core of the Earth or through the crust. Similarly, submarines can be located by the noises that they make in the water.